people behind this webinar, because this webinar making is not an easy, because you have to make the technological intervention as well as the human intervention, both has to happen. So I take this opportunity to congratulate each and everyone who is behind this workshop. The As you all know that the today we are discussing only on the criteria third, and I will try to accommodate myself to the criteria three, so that how we can do that one. I just would like to quote the Sanskrit shloka, as the Devamani Christopher has said, the without the God's blessings, we must have not made this effort. So मैं संस्कृत का श्लोक से एक शुरू करना चाहता हूँ. अखंड मंडलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. My respect to all the teachers who are viewing this webinar on behalf of the American College Madurai as well as on behalf of the NAC Bangalore. I welcome. As the Dr. Varadarajan, Dr. Dulci Branda Varadarajan has said, every institution is having vision. NAC is having a vision with a self and external quality evaluation. Self-study report which you are presenting to the NAC will be the self-evaluation. External evaluation is the NAC which does over a period. So now when you look into the success is a 7 word. I think Devmani Saab will be agree with me. The success word, it's a word which comes with the 7 letters. 7 is very much important, because 7 days will be there, Sapta Swaras will be there, Sapta Ragas will be there, Sapta Rushis will be there. So registration se lekar the calculation of the CGPA, there are 7 steps are there. Today we are talking about the first 2 steps, which is registration as well as the SSR submission. Little bit I will be telling, and I will touch upon only on the criteria 3. As you all know that if the student is coming from the American college, then he will be proud that say, I am a student of the American college. Proudly they are saying, yes, I am a student of that one. Why it is happening? Because it is a third thing, inculcating the value system among the student. So every student will be proud, stating that I am a student of such and such a college. So contributing to the national development, fostering global competencies, use of technology, and if at all you are doing all the 4 things, Questful excellence is a byproduct of all the 4 things. So every institution need to make some core values down the line. When you look into the apply online, you can just go to the NAC website, you can register first yourself, and whether the institution is going for this year accreditation or next year, not a problem. You have to register in the NAC portal. So while registering, you have a AISHA ID, your email ID, and a mobile number is required. For applying to the NAC, you need a UGC recognition letter if at all you are having. If it is without the UGC recognition also, for affiliated college we take up, but for the autonomous college, the UGC recognition is more important. So then AICH certificate and uploading the AQR previous 5 AQR for subsequent cycle, it is more important. Undertaking by the institution should be given. So if you register in the NAC portal, you will get the support help desk. You can ask question to the NAC. Our director, Professor S.C. Sharma ji, has made the statement stating that within 24 hours to 48 hours, all the questions which the people will be asking will be replied to the institution. So there are 7 or 8 stages are there. I will not go into the detail. I will come to the research, innovations and extension, which is part of this system which we are talking about today. So as an autonomous college, as Dr. Dulci Branda Varadarajan madam has said already, 7 criteria, 34 key aspect, and comes with the 72 and 35 key indicators with a qualitative metric and a quantitative metric. So we need to understand the methodology of the NAC, how exactly it has happened. So this is how the institutions for the what to call affiliated are there. Affiliated will have a little less for UG and PG. But if it is an institution is autonomous, then the total 150 mark will be there. For example, promotion of research 20, 20 further divided into 6, 6 and 8 like that. So every criteria further it is divided into the qualitative and the quantitative metric. Now, for example, if you see here, the 150 mark further divided into the various key indicator wise. For example, as Dr. Vardhanajan said, if I look into the promotion of research facilities, so 6 marks for the quantitative and the qualitative. Suppose the first thing which you can look into here is the qualitative metric, which comes as a QLM. So there are two metrics, 3.1.2, 3.1.3 comes as the quantitative metric. You have to be very careful. So most of the metrics in the autonomous college manual, suppose if you say there are 23 metrics are there, 20 metrics comes as a quantitative, only 3 metrics comes as the qualitative. So for example, 3.1.1 is one of the qualitative metric, and 3.3.1 in the innovation ecosystem is another metric is comes as a qualitative, and 3.6.1 comes as the qualitative metric. Suppose if you look into the totally 7 the key indicators which are there under the third criteria, totally 150 mark has been further divided into the 21 mark for the qualitative and 129 mark will be the quantitative. So my request to the Dr. Davamani Christopher Saab and the Dr. Mutturaja and all the IQAC coordinator is that the research innovations and extension, so more than the 85% depends upon the quantitative nature. So while if it is a quantitative nature, you need to be focused more on the number of the things. For example, 3.1.2, as Dr. Dursi Vardharajan madam has said, the institution research facilities are frequently updated and there is a well-defined policy. Policy is more important. Promotion of research which is uploaded in the institutional website and implemented. So minutes of the governing body should be given, and a 500-word thing has to be given for this is a qualitative metric. For example, 3.2.1 talks about the grant received from the government and non-government agencies. This is a 2-mark question. My request to the institution is that wherever you are having a strength, you have to make a more strengthen. And if it is a small, like a 2-mark question, if at all maximum, if you make an effort also, you will get an 8 mark. But when you make a institution on a 5-mark question, like this innovation system, ecosystem, or maybe this question on the number of workshop, 5 into 4, you will get it 20. But if you go to the here, the 2-mark question, 2 into 4, you will get only 8 mark. So you have to be understood the way of the questions which NAC has asked, and also the information has been sought. So my request is not to downgrade the 2-mark question or the 5-mark question, but the way if you are thinking, because the more mark where we can get is the 5-mark question, where you will give 5 into 4, you will get 20. But in the 2 into 4, you will get 8 only. So there the 12-mark difference may tilt here and there, the grading also. So my request to the institution, wherever you are having a strength, so you need to strengthen. For example, grant received. So whatever the grant you have received, if you could not get more, you may not get it, because the efforts of the teachers has to be done, and every year you have to try, and every new way of approach of the research project has to happen. So the funding agency will depend upon the nature of the funding they will provide. So it depends upon the science and arts, you will be able to see that one. So for example, in the percentage of teachers having a research project, so there is a 2-mark will be there. So institution can give some supportive measures. So before going for accreditation, for example, if you are going for 2023, if you are going for accreditation, then the percentage of teachers research project this year you can give. So previous year you must have given. So like that every year some funding you can give from the institution, or maybe having the some teachers you can promote that type of the things. So for example, in the innovations ecosystem, the institution has created an ecosystem for innovations and creation and transfer of knowledge. Madam Dulasi Branda Vradarajan has said. But in the new manual of the Autonomous College Manual, we have removed the patent, but we have kept the IPR activity, intellectual property right, we have kept, and entrepreneurship also we have kept. But the incubation center will be there, community orientation will be there, center for the research will be there, entrepreneurship development will be there. These all things will be there in the third criteria, which is innovations ecosystem. For example, if you see the another key indicator with a 3.3.2 and a metric with number of workshop and seminar and the intellectual property right. So you can look into this is a 5-mark question. You can make the statement how you can improve upon. For example, I just would like to share with you 3.4.1. There is a research publication and award. So this is a 5-mark question. Now this question is an open-ended benchmark. Suppose if you say all of the above, you will get the maximum. But all of the above to give also, you have to give the inclusion of the research ethics in the research methodology coursework, presentation of the ethics committee, plagiarism check software, if you are having research advisory committee, all the things you have to have, and all the things you have to have the 5-year documentary evidence. So you have to give the 5-year documentary evidence is more important. That means the committee which is looking about the quantitative nature will be looking into various documentary evidence which you have to give. Sometimes when you are looking at about the questions, grants for research project, departments having the research project, intellectual property rights, number of workshop seminars, number of books and chapters, number of extension activities, number of papers. So 85% to the 90% comes as the number game in the research, innovations and extension. For example, student participating in the extension activities. Now, for example, in the American college, we'll say that there 4,200 students are there, first year, second year, third year, MA, MSc, MCom, everything. So put together 4,200 students are there. Now, participation in the extension activity, how many students are participating? 80%, 60%, 85%. So you have to calculate the percentage. So a computer automatically calculates from the extended profile. What is an extended profile? Extended profile is a profile where you have to give year-wise data for the NAC. For example, if you are going 2022 in December, if you are going, so your 2021, 1920, 18, 19, 17, 18, 16, 17. From 16, 17 onwards, you have to give the 5-year data. Suppose if you are given the 5-year data, this data will become the denominator, and whatever the number of students which you are writing will come as the numerator, and then its percentage will be calculated in the computer automatically. Number of awards recognition, number of linkages, number of field trips, on-job training, number of MOUs which you are having. In one of the things which I would like to tell you, the number of MOUs. Suppose if you are having, then Devamani Christopher Saab will say that, no sir, we are having 12 MOUs in the American college. Now all the 12 MOUs, at least have you conducted one workshop or one interaction or interactive thing for with the MOU, or it is simply for the sake of the MOU will be there. It should not happen. MOU may be with the other institutions, MOU with the other universities, industries, or corporate houses also can be done. So a good researcher must be open-ended, must also adopt a critical way of thinking process, because the researcher should be a very good thinker as well as the commitment. He or she should raise the curiosity of the student, and they should be intelligent, and also there's something called the sympathetic and collaborative also should be there for the guides. So उन्नत भारत अभियान के लिए, स्ट्राइड के लिए, UGC, there are several schemes are there by the UGC. You can look into it. And Made in India program, Make in India program, Digital India program, Startup India program, and also the various schemes of the government of India, like Atal Innovations Mission also will be there. For example, just to share with you one slide here, a small local and the local is having the solar cell in his small TVS scooty he is having. But this scooty will be run with a battery and also his motor will run on the battery. So if you have that type of the idea and idea into the technological interventions, if you can make, because where there is a will, there is a way. So how you have to look into it, you can look into it. मैं हिंदी में एक लाइन बताना चाहता हूँ, उनके लिए सवेरे नहीं होते जो जिंदगी में कुछ भी पाने के उम्मीद छोड़ चुके हैं, उजाला तो उनका होता है जो बार बार हारने के बाद कुछ पाने के उम्मीद रखते हैं. In the English, it is just to share with you that don't give up your hope. The hope is the one which makes you to the next day is a good day, which will comes up in their life. So standard operating procedures are there in the NAC, which you can look into it, because the data validation and verification, as I told you, the whole 129 metrics of the weightage comes in the standard operating procedure. You have to look into it. So standard operating procedures are the one where Dr. Dr. Dulsi Branda Vardarajan, what she is thinking, what Ganesh Shetty is thinking, and what Devamani Saab is thinking should be hand in hand. So there should be a standard operating procedure for understanding the metrics. So you have to upload, if it is a data is more than 5 MB, you have to upload in the institutional website. Data should not be stored in the Google Drive or a Microsoft OneDrive or Amazon Cloud. It should be in the institutional website. I have request to the institution is that kindly keep all the documents in the institutional website only, and link should be given to the NAC. If at all your more size is that, you have to give the link to the NAC. Suppose if it is a research lab or some instrument, you can give the geotagged photographs to the NAC. And what I request to the institution is that if you make a simple formula, what is that one? Accreditation metrics, whether it is a quantitative or qualitative, what are the quantitative metric or qualitative metric? And you create your own data template for the understanding of that one. If you does not understand, then go to the standard operating procedure and make your understanding better. Or you can ask the question to the NAC in the help desk also. So there are some questions are there which I would like to skip here. These are all some of the things for the general affiliated colleges are there. Autonomous college, which I have already shared with you. My request to the institution to understand the Atal Innovations Mission of the Government of India, MHRD, and also the National Innovations Contest, if you can participate in that one. And there is a MHRD's Innovation Cell is available. You kindly register yourself, and so that you will get the all information from the government, and you can also make the incubator centers or a pre-incubators in the college itself. And Government of India is striving to become the one of the innovative country in the coming years. So my request to the institution is that the sometime back somebody told coffee never knew that it would taste so nice and sweet before it met milk and sugar. We are good as individuals, but become better when we meet and blend with the right people. That means arts department to science department to the commerce department. We have the interdisciplinary research papers and research innovative. We have to do it. I just would like to share with you one slide here with you, and taking a 2 minutes from you, just to share with you that 3.1.1, suppose let us say the quantitative natures are there. So these all the three metrics are comes as the quantitative metric. Now all the quantitative metric will be validated by the data validation verification process. That means before the on-site visit happens, this metrics is finalized the things. What happens is that one in the NAC, all the quantitative nature, you are having on a 0 to 4 scale, and it has been fixed with some benchmark. So benchmark is not publicly available for the people. But some of the benchmark, as I already told you, they are open-ended benchmark is there, which you can do much homework so that it will be facilitate you to get better mark. Now, my idea of sharing this slide is that suppose if you make on a 0 to 4 scale, stating that the 3 or 2 or 1, whatever the things which you can would like to say, according to you, you judge yourself and then understand how exactly the NAAC judges, and then comparatively you can make your own self-assessment. So system generated score will be there. All the three are metrics are the system generated scores are there. So innovation distinguishes between the leader and a follower. So all the metrics in the NAAC, most of the things comes in the resource mobilization as the system generated score. A great leader need to possess a clear vision with the courageous and integrity and honesty and humility, and the focus should be there. What I request the institution is that there are 7 criteria are there. 7 criteria, you keep the 7 different files so that your documentation will be done properly from the one criteria to the other criteria. And when I was listening to one of the speaker in the Assam in the long back, earlier, maybe around 5 to 6 years back, the criteria third, research, innovations, and extension makes a lot of difference. Why? The two criteria 1 and 2 depends upon the criteria 3, because the research is also depends upon the teaching, learning, and evaluation. The criteria 4 and 5 also depends upon the criteria 3, because infrastructure and learning resources and also student progression also depends upon the criteria 3. So criteria 3 makes a lot of difference. That is the reason the UGC has made 3 things. What is that? Teaching, research, and extension. So all the things, the criteria 1, 2, 3 makes a lot of difference in the assessment process also. In the proverb, somebody told, if you have not done the documentation of an activity, means you have not done it. So documentary evidence is more important. For me, the IQAC means the devotion and commitment. So unless you are devoted, unless you are committed, institution will not be able to come up at a higher stage. So my request to the institution is that the IQAC should be physically fit and mentally alert should be the slogan for the IQAC. IQAC may make their own sustenance through quality inculcation as a logo or a motto, and a quality policy also can be developed by the IQAC. This is one of the meeting which is going ahead with the IQAC of the meeting. And Antarik Gunavatta Ashwasan Sal, you can make your own translation into the your own languages also. Tamil maybe up, you can make your own translation in the things. What I would like to request you that the criteria 3, you can opt out some metrics if at all you wanted to opt out. So maximum 10 weightage you can make a opt out matrix, but opting out the may not solve all the problems. So criteria 3, 4, 5, 6 you can opt out the maximum 30 weightages, and criteria 1 to 7 you cannot opt out any metrics. And DVV compliance has to be done within 15 days after the submission of the self-study report. In the pre-qualification stage, NAAC has made the whether it is a first cycle, second cycle, or a third cycle. So 25% they have to pass. Then only they will be allowed to for the second level fees submission to the NAAC, or otherwise only the 50% only the fees will be paid in the initial stage to the NAAC. Now, for example, how exactly it will be calculated? When you look into the result declared by the NAAC in the new methodology of the NAAC, NAAC will be telling that these are the high performance indicators with the criteria wise you will be able to see that if it is the 3.01 to 4, you will be called as the high performance indicator. If you are the average performance indicator will be 2.01 to 3. So metrics wise we will be able to state that how institution has performed. And low performance indicators are 0 to 2. This is the low performance indicator. So criterion wise you will be able to see. For example, just to share with you, today we are discussing about the criteria 3. If you look into this the college result, 2.202 they have got in the third criteria. Suppose if they have got more in the third criteria, their score must have gone up. because the criteria 1 they have 4, criteria 4 they are having the nearer to 4, and the criteria 5, 6 and 7 they are already in the 3.32 and above. So the criteria third, they have got research, innovations and extension, they have got low. That may be the reason they must have scored little less. Otherwise, they could have got a little more grade. For example, just to share with you, in the same institution, for example, if you see 3.01 to the 3.7.3, if you look into the things, many things they have got 4, but still they have got 0 also in the things. Either they must have gone opt-out metric, or they must have gone 1 or 2. My request to the institution is that kindly look into the metrics wise how exactly the institution is performing. This is the new grading pattern which NAAC is following, and from the 2017 onwards, this is the pattern which we are following. I thank the Dr. Muthuraja, Dr. Devmani Christopher for making these efforts on behalf of the NAAC. I thank you everyone for giving me an opportunity to share some of the things for the criteria third. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Really, we are very thankful to NAAC as well as the leaders of NAAC, and a special thanks to Dr. Ganesh Hegde from Madurai Meenakshi and Madurai City, and a very special thanks to from American College, because American College is known to the world through Dr. Rabindranath Tagore visit. And I think your presentation made very, very scientific. You answered many questions, unasked questions by our side. Participants are having a few questions. Maybe before going for participants' questions, we have a few questions.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Not as a question, we have a few clarifications.
Sir.
I think 2 or 3 clarifications we can make. First round for you, then we will go for Madam to response.
No problem.
First one, many institutions, they are going for calculating seed money. We have a doubt. One is whether the 100% money allotted by institution only for research projects or research projects other than research activities. For example, Mr. X or Ms. Y are going for presenting the research result in an international conference. The money spent on this travel and registration on research contribution presentation can be included in the seed money. This is doubt number 1, sir.
Muthuraji, sir,
yes,
my
sir.
request is that if you tell me the the metrics number, we will be able to see the standard operating procedure. Okay.
Okay.
See, every metrics has come with the things, because if it is, my request is that if anywhere it does not fall, so you have to fit into the any of the criteria. That is one thing.
You are correct.
Second thing is that suppose if it is a seed money, and if you tell me the metrics number, so that I will also open the same page.
Yeah, 3.1, sir.
3.1.3. Yeah.
Yeah.
No. Sir, it is 3.1.2. I will just Muthuraji, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is 3.1.2. I will tell you. The institution provides seed money to its teachers for research.
Yes, sir.
Now, what are all will be considered? List of faculty who have been awarded.
Yeah.
That is a seed money for research along with the title of the project and duration. That is one thing.
Okay.
And sanction letter for the award of the seed money to the teachers in the mandatory.
Okay.
Audited income tax, that thing you have to give.
Yes.
In case of the large data, if it is there, DV will ask only one teacher, things like they will ask.
Okay.
Only formal research project seed money will be considered.
Yeah.
Means that a simple letter plus the project also is more important.
Okay.
That is one thing.
Okay.
Now, grants for other than the research project need to be avoided. Okay. Sponsorship to the conference and seminar, etc., to be avoided.
Okay, sir. It's clear.
Okay. Then the grants received from the outside the agency for research work not to be included. That means, see, you get for that project. Suppose, for example, I will tell you, Dr. Devmani Christopher has given the 25,000 to the Professor Muthuraja.
Yes.
Muthuraja has got a economics project from the ICSSR. Okay. Now ICSSR project will go somewhere. Okay. That has got a project received from the funding from the different agency. That is true.
Okay.
But the 25,000 will go here as a seed money. See, what happens is that in the initial year of the faculty, when they come for the as an assistant professor, so 10,000 rupees for giving a project is also more important. It is not 10,000 rupees. It is a motivation you are giving to that faculty to bring more thing. That 10,000 rupees may bring you the 1 lakh project also. That motivation is more important. The idea behind is not the money. The idea behind is the NAC is to motivate the young faculty to make the research. That is the more important.
Thank you, sir. Really nice. And one more clarification regarding 343. Number of research papers per teacher in the journals notified on UGC websites.
Sir.
Regarding UGC notification, I think if you are taking last 5 years, there may be some journals appeared in 2017-18, but during 19-20 it may missing. How do we include this kind of information as a database?
In that matrix you may not be included, but in some other matrix you can include, where the general seminar workshops and seminars are there. There you can include.
Okay.
Suppose मान लीजिए you have written a paper which is in 2016-17. In some journal, that journal is not validated right now. Now that paper is written. That is true. But that will not come under the UGC journal, but it will come as a general paper.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. And one more doubt. There are some publications like chapters in the edited book or some other thing. Since sometimes regional language publications may not have ISBN or ISSN number, how do we include these references in the list?
Muthuraja sir, you are there in the Government of India. As a faculty member, your journal should be registered.
First.
As per the library notification thing, all journals should be registered. If you send this by post, how you will be sending? By post. The post person will ask you the ISSN number. If you are having ISSN number, they must have taken a less amount for post also. So you have to register in the ISSN number or ISBN. See, if it is a book, suppose an American college can publish a book with the thing, no problem. But you have to apply to the Raja Raman Mohan Library and get a registered and then get a number, ISBN. So that is a job of the librarian. Librarian has to do that job.
Okay, thank you, sir. And one more thing, since we are in southern part of India, we have a huge collection of media sharing in the form of mass media as well as print media. How do we place the media sharing in this kind of reports?
What media sharing?
For example, the academic head can share a contribution of a particular department in a public sharing. For example, Doordarshan News or Pudhiya Thalamurai TV. For example, there is a special story of science exhibition organized by Physics Department, American College. It comes as a special story in the news channel.
Okay.
Can we include these things as a contribution of college, sir?
You have to find out which metrics. See, either in the extension program or in the related to the publication. So, or maybe the media, or in the governance. You see, if you could not find out anywhere, you can put in the governance, or you can put it in the IQAC initiative there. So my request there is that whatever you are doing, that 107 metrics are there. In that 107 metrics, you have to find out where you can fit in. So nothing can be left out. I does not want you to left out the things. Suppose, for example, Tamil department has made some contribution in the books. So that will be there in Tamil.
Yeah.
So only thing is that you have to translate that cover page into the translation version of that page alone. That's all.
Yeah.
So ISBN number will be there.
Okay.
So that they will consider. That is not even for Tamil also not a problem. Malayalam also not a problem.
Okay.
The problem is that how you will interpret. See, interpretation is more important. NAC consider those things also for the thing. That will be considered.
Okay, thank you, sir. One more special request and a special question. I think we made a Google, and there was a references about your book on how to strengthen institution to score more points in the NAC report. Can you spell some tips from your own book, sir, please?
It's not not to score more. It's not like that. It is
to strengthen.
seven action point. Somebody must have made a review like that. Exactly. See, my idea is that not only don't think every time on the NAC. See, you have to think beyond NAC also. That is one thing. Second thing is that don't think only we are in the southern part of the thing. What happens in the northern part, we don't know. That is also should not be there.
Okay.
Third thing is that we are having art, science, commerce, and we don't have PG. That also should not be there. My idea is that people should be looking for you, how you are doing. So new ideas, new way of thinking process, and new initiative should come from the colleges. And somebody should say in Hindi, because I speak to many times the Hindi belt. See, many times my language comes with the Hindi. तो कभी कभी ऐसा होता है, देखो अमेरिकन कॉलेज क्या कर रहा है करके. That means please see how American college is doing. So that should be the way of approach. So American college should see the other colleges. So that is a part of your thing. You have to do it. But my way of looking is that whatever the institutions are there, they have to make their own way of strategy. Suppose if you have a strategy, you have become an autonomous college. My request is that down the line, in the 7 year down the line, Devabani Christopher will become a vice chancellor of the American College University.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thanks.
It may happen.
Yes.
No, I will tell you. It may happen. What to call the congregation will take a decision. That is not my decision, but the congregation will take a decision. My way of approach is that how to become. So there should be some road map for that one. Whether you become or not become is a different thing, but only time will tell. But there should be some strategy to achieve that goal. So NAC is a step towards the quality and excellence. So when you go for the further and further, the DST will ask something, DBT will ask something, and then ICHR will ask something, UGC will ask something. For potential excellence, you will have something. So the way of approach should be differ. And your approach should be and ladder. So you have to go on improving. Now, just to share with you, one question is coming. Approximately, Dr. Ravichandran is asking one question. Approximately how many files preparing NAC? I think there only the problem is there. Problem is not on the file. So problem in how to maintain the file. That is the thing. Second thing is many files will be there. There are so many files will be there. If it is in the, I can do one thing. You can make only 7 files. I can tell you, but 7 file does not finalize. Second thing, I can also tell you that 107 files you can create. For all each matrix you create file. That is also another approach. The approach should be sustainable. Approach should be workable. Approach should improve the quality level in the institutional functioning. That should be the approach for Dr. Ravichandran. I does not recommend any type of the things, but suppose if Ravichandran has been the IQAC coordinator in an X college, when principal asks the question to him, kindly give me the data, he should not search. He should immediately give the data. That should be the approach of the files preparing. That is one thing which I can tell. And one question is coming, what is the new criteria for evaluation of the accredited physical education college? I request the institution to look into the NAC website. There is a education college manual is available. And Arvind Upadhyay ke liye mera request hai, they can ask a question in the help desk. NAC will reply to the college.
Sir, thank you, sir. Special thanks. Dr. Tulasi Brunda Madam wants to talk to you on one or
Yes.
two points. I will
Yes,
request
sir,
Dr. Tulasi Brunda Madam to interact with you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Unmute. Question or answer? Unmute. Thanks, William.
Namaste, madam. Kindly unmute. Unmute.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Hello, sir.
Namaste.
Sometimes this while going for the P team, the data given by the that is the data given from the NAC and the information at the time produced by the college vary. How we can solve this problem?
No, madam. See, we are particular about the session. Session is, suppose if you are going for the, let us say in the January 2021, some visit. So 1920 is only the maximum period which we can take up to June 2020. That is the thing. So June maybe because of the lockdown period, it may continue up to September or October, depending upon the thing. But the all quantitative metrics will be calculated based on the academic year. That is the thing. So similar way, the team also can consider the thing. Only for qualitative, it is a discretion of the team chairman. Sometimes when you look into the various things, but for quantitative, it is already decided by the DBB process. Already has been decided. Only the
So
online on-site visit, it is sometimes it is a discretion of the chairman.
yeah, they can supplement also, no, sir?
Yes, madam. Yes,
They can supplement, huh?
they can supplement, but sometimes the chairman will not accept. Some
They will
chairman
not
will
be
accept.
taken care of. Okay.
No, there are two things, madam. When quantitative is already decided by the previous academic year, some chairman will say that one previous academic year data only will be considered for the qualitative also. So that is the approach.
Sir, I am Immaculate from American College. I
Madam.
have one doubt, sir.
Madam.
I am working here and my guide is, my student is working in some other college. Shall we show this as a collaborative work, our research paper?
Which one?
Will we create the supporting document, sir?
No, madam. See, you have been working earlier which college?
Sir?
You will be working நீங்களே பின்னாடி ஒரு காலேஜ்ல காம் பண்ணிருக்கீங்கல்ல. You have been working with the previous one college. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You wanted to share that work which you have done there to this college, or what is the question actually?
No, sir. I am working here. My student is working in some other. My research scholar is working in some other college. Both we are working and publishing a paper. Shall we consider this as a collaborative work?
No, that research scholar is a research scholar or a faculty? Faculty.
He is working in as a faculty in some other college.
Okay. Who is the first author?
If it is myself.
It will be considered.
It will be considered as a collaborative work?
No. there are, you see, for the NAC purpose, whether it is a national paper or whether it is an international paper, okay, whether it is a UGC journal or whether it is an international journal, that is the second thing. For the criteria for the 3.4.6 and 4.5, it all goes to the InflipNet. So
Okay.
through the InflipNet, these papers will be validated and it will come to the number will be calculated accordingly by the InflipNet. For universities and colleges, for autonomous colleges, it goes to the InflipNet. For affiliated colleges, it may not go to the InflipNet. So collaborative work, you can also show into the collaborative work. You can, if you wanted to say the paper, you can say the paper also. So it is left to you to decide where you would like to put in the criteria, which metrics.
Thank you for your nice presentation, sir. Thank you so much. You gave a lot of idea about that. So my question is regarding supportive documents. Suppose NSS in a year, they'll be conducting around 250 programs. It may be having a 10 blood donation camp itself. Whether the supportive documents has to be individual or shall we give a kind of a report for the year or specific for the donation alone, how it has to be presented?
It should be, sir, my request will be, it should be individual, because every activity you are spending money.
Yes,
you have to give the report to the principal that this is the expenditure, this is the activity.
yes.
You can create a photograph, you can make a photograph, or below line you can put a caption also, that is the thing, this is the activity and everything. So my request that each activity wise you can make a report and keep it in your the database. That is the best way. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Sir, namaste, sir.
Namaste.
Yeah, really, we are fortunate to have people like you and Dr. Tulasi Branda madam. Really, we spend more than around 2 hours of quality interaction. We don't want to disturb you more, because on another time we will disturb you by way of inviting a very, very special program.
Okay.
I think if you are watching chat box, everyone is enjoying by way of sharing happiness, but about the sharing, the quality sharing about feedback of this program. We will also write to you, sir, regarding if any clarification we need.
Mutturaj sir.
Special thanks to Dr. Ganesh Hegde and Dr. Tulasi Branda madam, and a special thanks to our principal also. I hope with your blessings, the American College will be the American College University in near future, sir.
Blessing is not
program, sir. Please, sir.
Sir. Mutturaj sir.
Yes, sir.
Blessing is not from the Ganesh Hegde or Tulasi Branda Varadarajan. It is a blessing of the God. As you in the beginning only you raise what you call you prayed the God that God let our the good speaker give the new knowledge, new content, and let us bless us that. So I also prayed in. I also prayed, you prayed in English, I prayed in Sanskrit. That's only the difference.
Thank God, thank God.
So
thank God
I request the college to take a new dimension, new activities, and keep on doing the good things, keep on recording the things, as we are recording this on the live chat and the thing. So keep on doing the documentation. That is one thing. Second thing is that whatever the small or big or the activity which you do, keep on recording. That itself is a, see, for example, a flyer, appreciation letter, seminar, what to call certificate. So all things are important. So people are going for a digital. So the government of India and the Prime Minister would like to make one data, one nation. So how can we can make? Only with the faculty participation only we can do it. So my request to the institution is that keep good documentation, and suppose if the Devamani Christopher is asking the data, with one click you will be able to give that data. So that if you make that type of the things, they will say, wonderful, Mutturaja sir, you are really the Raja. So they will tell, because that approach and that way of the your dedication makes a lot of difference, because when you work like that, so things will happen. So my request to all the faculty members is keep on doing the good things, and let us pray the God that, oh God, you give good health, and we'll come out from this COVID-19 situation, and we can do our regular work in the wherever we are placed by the God. So you are a faculty there, I am a faculty here. So we will work together. So let us hope for the things. I just would like to say a Hindi line stating that आप एक कदम आगे बढ़े क्वालिटी के लिए, हम भी एक कदम आगे बढ़ते हैं. You keep one step ahead for the quality in the American college. Along with you, the NAC also would like to come with one more quality, so that both of us together we will make the quality India. So thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank God and thank all the people, Dr. Ganesh Hegde and Dr. Tulasi Brunda, madam. The official vote of thanks and other communications follows. Please, sir. Thank you.
Sir, I request you to me to mute myself, because I will have a 4 o'clock meeting. I will join
please,
the meeting at 4 o'clock there.
Definitely. Sir.
No? Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
thank you very much. Dhanyavad. Nandri, Nandri, Nandri.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Now we invite Dr. Ebenezer, sir, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, to propose vote of thanks.
I thank God Almighty and Savior for granting all the provisions to plan, organize, and conduct this webinar successfully. Dr. Dhavamani Christopher, Principal and Secretary, amidst his busy schedule, rendered all the required effort and support to conduct this webinar for the betterment of the future of the college. Sir, your future goals for the college are very high, and it is achievable by your hard work and positive approach. This webinar is one more stepping stone towards those goals, sir. Thank you for for putting us in the right track, sir. Thank you. Thanks to Dr. Tulasi Brunda Varadarajan, ma'am, Emeritus Professor, for enlightening many things. We are highly benefited and will work on with your valuable ideas, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for spending your valuable time with us. Thanks to Dr. Ganesh Hegde, advisor to NAC, for spending valuable time, ideas, and insight into the area which is less explored by others. Your talk motivated us and guided us towards the answer we are searching for. You made the webinar live, sir. It is highly fruitful, and we thank for your efforts, sir. It is time to thank Dr. Muthuraja, who took all efforts in finding out the right speakers for this national webinar, which is useful to all of us. Also, the criterion 3 members, Dr. Sabnam and others, for their timely help. Applause to all participants who made this webinar more interactive. Hope to meet you soon with further webinars of same kind. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Feedback link has been posted in the chat window. Participants, kindly fill the feedback form and you will get the certificate in 2 days of time. And the feedback link will be closed by half an hour. So kindly fill the feedback form. Thank you.
No, madam. Thank you.
Participants, participants who have submitted the feedback form can exit the meeting. I'm waiting for others to complete the feedback form. Thank you.